So AgBee provides the spray drone services with off-the-shelf spray drones. Yeah, when we worked for some of the vineyards that we contract with, and they were telling us about what they had to do in order to treat their vines. So they were going through with backpack sprayers, you know, they were being exposed to the chemicals. AgBee has found that utilizing the drone technology eliminates that human element, and being able to go and apply effectively in those areas without any sort of risk, with reduced drift, reduced water usage, controlling where that chemical goes, that's been absolutely fantastic. It's really hit home for us that this is a very important technology. It's doing something that no one else can do. It's filling a need for growers and farmers in California. So we aim to really alleviate the stress involved with the small, hard-to-reach crops. You know, ones that are on slopes or have difficult terrain, urban encroachment. So the drone really works exceptionally well in those areas. It doesn't replace traditional methods, it just aids and assists in areas where the drone, you know, is more effective. I know it's predicted that in the next 10 years that we're going to see an increase of spray drone service provision across the United States by at least 30%. And I think that's actually low for California. I think we're going to see an even bigger explosion in the next 5 to 6 years here because growers are really starting to understand the importance of the technology and how effective it is, especially on difficult terrain. Farmers and growers tend to want ag tech as a service in California because they have much smaller farms. So they're not wanting to purchase the equipment, get all the licensing for the equipment. They just want someone to come out and do it for them. So working with growers and building those foundations and those bridges over time so that they know that we're extremely earnest and honest about what we're doing. We want to make sure it works for them. We want it to work for us. So building those relationships has been absolutely fantastic, and that's been our driving force in the ag tech sector.